Yo, 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 yo. What up, tube? Let's talk about this story that's breaking about Liz Cambridge. I believe that's how you pronounce her name. Told Team Nigeria to go back to third world country. It's one of her teammates snitched on her or whatever. But that's not even the crazy part. I read another article about this where she decided to decline being on the Olympic team. And of course, what is she saying? The famous liberal, let me not be accountable for anything I say card that they all pull. Well, it's mental illness. I need a mental break. How did I know that this was going to sprout from this nonsense? And as soon as I came across this, it's like with these type of chicks, they want to fall on mental illness, they want to do something to say something messed up, and then it's like mental illness is the reason I did it. See, that gives them an excuse and a way out. Because the people that's on that side, the liberal side, they're gonna co-sign real quick. Oh yeah, she has mental illness. So that's why she said it. Yeah, it's okay. Nah, you ain't fooling me. I'm gonna leave a link to this article in the description box down below. But it says Liz Cambridge has been accused by the former captain of Australia's women's national basketball team of telling opponents on Team Nigeria to go back to their third world country. Gina Ohia, who was captain of Team Australia during the 2020 Olympics in Tokyo, which were played in 2021, appeared on ABC Sport in Australia as the WNBA kicked off its season over the weekend. Ohia was asked if it was accurate that in an incident between Australia and Nigeria during the pre-Olympic scrimmage, Cambridge, however you say that crap, had her feathers ruffled and told Nigerian players to go back to your third world country, igniting a brawl. Oh, they trying to get it in. Getting a little feisty, ladies. Huh? Feelings hurt a little bit? That is all 100% correct, O'Hare responded. After the incident, Cambridge withdrew from the Olympics, citing mental health. That's what killed me, you know what I'm saying? Anytime these chicks say and do something just outrageously stupid and trifling, they want to fall back on mental health, mental illness. And the problem with that is what's being established as the norm is going to reflect badly on people who's actually going through this kind of stuff. Because now when they reach out for help, citing mental illness, and they might actually have something wrong with them, to where they actually need some help. Some people might actually need to get on medication. But now it's going to be harder for these people to get help and be believed, because you got these idiots who think citing mental illness and mental issues is a get out of jail free card. Oh, just excuse anything I say and do. It's mental illness. And it's usually from people who are too weak-minded and who are more likely to crack under pressure, and they can't stand the pressure. Pressure makes diamonds. And a lot of these people who want to fall back on mental illness when it's convenient, they ain't nowhere near being a diamond. They are basically a lifetime lump of coal. Coleco. And this is what kills me with the whole mental illness thing. So now when people say that, you gotta look at them like, all right, should I take this person seriously? Is this person just talking this shit to get out of something they said and did? Or is this person naturally have mental illness problems and might one day snap. See, it muddies the water too much, and people should be held accountable for that. And if it's found out, it gotta be a way to find out when people be lying about mental illness. And if they cite mental illness as a reason for doing something, saying something, or getting away with something, if it's found out that person was lying, there should be jail time for that. Because you're basically siphoning resources that you don't deserve. Just because you want to get away with what you said and did. And that's bullshit. Mental health, my ass. Cambridge, who recently joined the Los Angeles Sparks, issued an indirect response to Ohayo's explosive allegations. This is what this chick said. What was behind Liz Cambridge falling out with the Opals? Former Australian captain. Okay, that's not her comment. Okay, that's something else. There's probably a comment in here somewhere. Oh, that's the show that Gina Ohaya tells the Offsiders panel. Okay, that's when she told what really happened. This is what Liz said. The truth will always come to light, and it ain't even dawned yet. Cambridge tweeted on Sunday. Yeah, the truth will come all right. This is why I say people that cite this mental illness crap and don't really have issues, there should be a penalty for that shit. I mean, a real penalty. Like, I want to say jail time. Jail time is a big deterrent for a lot of things, so I would say jail time. Or like a $3 million fine or something. Because you're going to keep having people using this as the fallback for doing and saying stupid shit. So, yeah, this is some bullshit. And it never fails. There's always some far left shit. Or should I say, I don't know where her leanings are, but it's far left ideology that allows this and deems this okay, whether it's true or not. And it should never be used as an escape for bad behavior. And that's, in my personal opinion, this is exactly what Liz is doing, using mental health as the scapegoat to escape her problems. But Liz, your problems are faster than you. Unless you deal with your problems directly, you'll never be able to outrun them. They will always catch you. So that being said, like, share, and subscribe if you like my content. And check you out on the next one. In the breeze.